Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. Firstly, you need to access device settings. Now scroll down and tap on App Management. Then select App Cloner and click on one of the available apps. In my case it's Facebook, so I have to click on it and tap on the switcher next to Create App Clone. Then wait. And now click on Rename App Clone. Over here you can type wherever you wish to, like Facebook 2, and save your changes by tapping on this icon at the top right corner of this Rename App Clone pop-up. Now when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!